Hi guys, welcome to my classroom. Hi guys, I thought it would be fun to give you a little tour, nothing serious, just something fun to show you a little bit around the props that I use, the lighting, as well as my magnet board. You know, just a bunch of fun stuff. Also, don't worry, I have already listed everything in the description box, so if there's anything that you want to check out or buy for your own classroom, you can find all the links down below. All right, let's go. Okay, so first let's talk about all of my magnets because everybody is asking what I do with my magnets. Disclaimer, you do not have to have as many props as me. That is just my teaching style. And I love that we're welcome to have our own teaching style with VIPKID. So what I do is I just have this big sheet of galvanized sheet metal. I found it at Home Depot and I just put this up on my wall. I just screwed it straight into the wall. So what I've done, and I'll give you a little zoom in here in a second, is I've gone ahead and I've organized everything by category. I've learned that organizing everything based off of level or unit just doesn't work for me, simply because dog is going to be used in different lessons. Same thing goes with Meg and Mike. So I found that category works best for me. Now I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, perfect. Over here I have all of my classroom things such as computer, backpack, grades, read, write, mouse, keyboard. Up high, this is where I keep all of my VIPKID characters, along with the toys lesson, some shapes, weather is also together. I also have a few of my reward systems here, and what I do with my reward system is I just stack them up together with my magnets. That way all of my dolphins are together. All of my rabbits are together, all of my dogs are together. My students seem to really like My Little Pony. If your students like My Little Pony, make sure that they have Princess Celestia because she is very important. So I want to share you one of my favorite prop / reward things. So these are fun, just little photoshopped images that I've done. Sometimes I use them as reward system. Sometimes we use it when we're talking about certain things in the units. Driving a car, not my car, but you get the idea. Let's see what else I have in here. Oh, here's a cute picture of my family, not photoshopped. My family is just that adorable. Birthday parties, my best friend. There's a picture of a giraffe licking me. Oh, when we talk about swimming, I always use this one because I thought it was very cool. Especially because my husband thought that his phone was waterproof and we took this picture and then we found out that it wasn't waterproof. So I have to make this picture worthwhile, right? For the cost of the phone that he put underwater. I do have a few fun things here at the bottom. Of course, my money. Here is my reward system. I went ahead and taped magnets to the back. That way I can move my little snowman around. Ta-da! But if you want this, this is on my Facebook group. Definitely check that out. These little fun characters, if you have watched what I use them for with my Find a Star competitive version. Oh my gosh. Okay, we have days of the week, my creepy spider. If I'm teaching some letters, there's letters there. Oh, what's hiding? I have the Meg and Mike that I made. These little guys are fun because again, magnets all over the back. So now all I need to do is take, oops. This video's a mess, I'm sorry. So now, let's see, we'll take Meg and voila! Now Meg can get dressed. Isn't that so fancy? These are all the clothes items that I can place on Meg and Mike. Ta-da! It's really hard to do with one hand. I apologize. Pizza, hamburger emojis. These are lots of fun. I love these rewards. Ah, this is my ice cream scoop reward. However, I use it a lot of times for the sight words. And I will just write with an Expo marker because they're all laminated. So those are my go-to. Otherwise, I come over here. These are from Teacher Lisa's Time Savers. I'll link her down below. But if you want sight words, oh my goodness. They're color coordinated so you know what they are based off of their unit, their level. Super great. Here's some fun little gosh, let's try that again. Here's some cute little VIPKID teacher sunglasses that I got at a meetup. Now this little mug, I love. A teacher sent this to me. 2D prop queen, because you guys, that's me. Expo markers, this fun cute little sign. I'll link this down in the description if you guys want to check her out as well. She also made this fun sign too. Dun, da, da, da. Now these little star streamers are super fun. They came in a party pack, a pink and teal birthday party pack just off of Amazon. These are Christmas decorations from the dollar store. And then real quick, I almost forgot to tell you about this stuff. Let's tell you about this stuff. This is my go-to. This is just a large paper towel roll that I glued cute paper on the inside, and I use this as my camera cover. I use this as my camera cover in case the students are late. Fun fake apple. Cute little dino keychain. Whoa. Cute little dino keychain. Basketball. Duck. Fish. These were actually paintable ornaments for Christmas. And then these bells I just use for color and sound. Just lots of fun. Cute little VIPKID microphone. I'll link that for you guys. Same thing with my cute star. Now let's go ahead and jump down here, shall we? This is just my toy box that I have full of fun little things. Minnie Mouse ears, because these are definitely needed. My students love rabbits. Now, these are just placemats, you guys. Halloween placemats. This is the best thing I have to teach scary, just because it's a friendly looking spider and it's huge. So I'll hold that up and scare my students. This fun bag I used my tokens for from the Hutong, and I was able to get a little VIPKID lunchbox. Just hold all of my pens and stuff. Nothing too fancy. Oh, collections of dino. Funny story here, I've actually earned 6. However, I've given them away in giveaways. I gave one to the other admin of my Facebook group. This one I won from a Halloween contest last year. This one was a 2nd place reward. Again, another 2nd place reward. And this little guy came from the fact that I didn't win a trip to China, but Nancy Taylor did. Go watch her videos. All right, let's go ahead and keep moving. Now this is my confetti. If you've taken any of my workshops, hold that up. Look at all that beautiful confetti. I don't have a link for this. It's just large confetti. I would definitely recommend large confetti because it's much easier to clean up. This is just my little whiteboard from Target that I use all the time. If you are a new teacher, you need a little magnetic whiteboard. Trust me on that one. Let's talk about some of the things on my desk. These things are my go-to. I always need my bananas, talking about friends, my dino emotions. All right, woo, let's zoom back. I'm picking up the camera again. I don't know how to vlog, you guys. I feel so awkward. Oh, let's talk about this. This is just another place that I keep my magnets. Here we go, make princesses. You guys are probably wondering about these. These are super fun. They also light up, but they don't show up very well on camera. But I just added a magnet to the back and they spin. So that's really fun. These are really cute. These are just My Little Pony hearts. Moving down, I have a couple different ways of playing Find a Star. I'll post a link in the description box if you want to know how I play. But I have numbers and I also have colors. Pardon the mess. And here is where I keep all of my equipment. Art, watercolor, dabbling in some art stuff right now with my other YouTube channel. Anything I might need on the fly when it comes to tech equipment is there. And then look how cute these are. These came from my zoo. Look how cute. I don't know where to put these, but I do love them. Aren't those adorable? Those are adorable. Whew. So I'm just vlogging away, I guess. Every time I feel like I come on camera, I don't know what to say, but I think that's almost everything. I guess I could show you what's down here. Let's. I'm gonna bring this up so there's better lighting. Go ahead and open it up. This is where I store all of my flat reward systems. It may look like a blank paper to you, but it actually has very faint lines, so I can trace it to make it look like I'm an artist. Down here, you guys, this is where the magic happens. If I want to do some cute little princesses, I made these. What's in Mike's backpack? That actually goes along with some of my props over here. So I can go ahead and use these. What's in Mike's backpack? Feed a monster. You can give him cupcakes, food, whatever you want. Giraffe face. So yeah, lots of stuff, you guys. Lots of stuff. So yeah, that's my video. That's my classroom. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll talk to you guys all next time. Happy teaching.